These were known for smooth, quiet luxury. Well, not this one. Muscle car fans had a bunch of choices back in 1970, as nearly every American manufacturer had their foot to the floor building fire-breathing cars for those craving speed and style. And some brands even stepped outside their comfort zone to build attention-getting versions of cars that would normally be associated with economy or luxury. The Cougar was originally positioned as a luxury sport coupe, but by 1970, muscle cars were so hot that even luxury jobs like this one got big engines and bright colors and stripes and road-grabbing suspension systems, and the Cougar Eliminator, well, it got all of it. The 1970 Mercury Cougar, designed as a Luxo coupe to take on the sophisticated European cars entering the US market, as well as the upscale Dodge Challenger and Pontiac Firebird. But this one is different. This, my friends, shows that a leopard can change his spots, or at least a cougar can. The Mercury Cougar has always leaned towards the high-performance side, especially with big engines offered in the XR7 and Eliminator models. This competition yellow Eliminator is one of just 2,268 built that year, and it's fitted with all the cool Eliminator package goodies and more. Eliminators were lookers and goers, set ablaze with bright colors Mercury called competition colors, like competition yellow, competition blue, competition orange, competition gold, and competition green. This one is wearing its original yellow paint, which still stings retinas today. Black stripes raced up the hood into the satin black hood scoop, and more black stripes skid down the sides from front to back. The stripe contrasts the contoured body lines, but it looks clean and speedy. Although this one has the Eliminator package lower front air dam, the corresponding rear pedestal wing was deleted from the Eliminator package when the car was ordered new. It's unusual for an Eliminator, but not the last time we see special treatment on this car. The quarter panels spell out Eliminator in big block letters, presumably to show the loser what just smoked him. The performance theme continues on with the competition handling package, which added stiffer springs, bigger sway bars, tuned shocks, and powered disc brakes. Wheels are steel, tires are 14s, and the stance is mean. Of the 2,200 and change built, only 469 were stuffed with the 290 horsepower Boss 302 V8 engine. Yes, the very same V8 found in the highly capable Boss 302 Mustang. The result is a free-spinning 290 horsepower and 290 pound-foot powerhouse out of a small 302 cube displacement for a different kind of fun than heavy big block V8s. The name suggests this car wipes out the competition, and with a screaming Boss 302 and super drag pack, well, the power of that suggestion is turned up quite a bit. It's got 11.5-to-1 compression, a row-your-own 4-speed, and a 430 rear gear, so this one definitely lives up to its name. But this one takes it up another notch, as it's one of only 5 originally equipped with the Super Drag Pack option, which added a highway-unfriendly 430-to-1 rear gear and a Detroit locker differential, and a mandatory engine oil cooler to help the Boss keep its cool on the road. But inside, this rockin' machine doesn't forget it's a Mercury, as the driver slips into comfy high-backed bucket seats before grabbing the Hurst 4-speed gear grinder. The black upholstery is accented by burlwood dash trim, but the fully stock dashboard is far more exciting to watch. An AM Philco allowed you to sing along with the long and winding road as you burned up the, well, you get the idea. All in all, it's a great looking, all original, unrestored, low mile, high revving, hard cornering, tire burning machine, and it's one of only a handful that were built. And we call that a winner. And you have just been eliminated. Cars like these are obviously pretty hard to come by, unless you're spending time here in the Brothers Collection. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? What are you waiting for? Just click the little button and you'll be getting videos in your email box before you know it. It's pretty neat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with another cool car on Muscle Car of the Week.